Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Blender. We're also having a look at Unreal Engine 5. We want to know what each one of these modeling softwares actually offer and how they can benefit you. So ladies and gentlemen, Blender is free and free software is awesome. Let's check exactly why Blender is a cut above the rest. So with Blender, you can discover the world's most powerful open source 3D creation software that is revolutionizing digital art, and it has been for a very long time, animation and also game development across many industries. So why are people choosing Blender and why should you choose Blender? Some of their advantages, of course, is the 100% free and open source. This means that there's no licensing fees or subscription costs, and there's constantly improvements by passionate global community members. And these are developers and artists who understand what your creative needs are. Also, it has cross-platform power, so it runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, with Python scripting support for completely customized workflows and automation. And then it's a complete creative pipeline. So it's literally everything you need in one package, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositioning, motion tracking, and even video editing capabilities, all in one space. And then literally from hobbyists to Hollywood, Blender is something that's been used by literally everybody. Some of their powerful benefits and features include their advanced creative tools, right? So you have professional sculpting brushes, realistic physics simulations, dynamic particle effects, and very precise camera tracking for stunning visual storytelling. It also has industry-leading rendering. So Cycles and EV engines deliver both photorealistic ray-traced images and lightning-fast real-time previews with cinematic effects. Their optimized workflow is a customizable interface. They have keyboard shortcuts and Python automation tools to boost your productivity and adapt to your unique creative process. And then it's a thriving ecosystem. There's thousands of tutorials, there's free plugins, active forums, and regular updates to ensure there is continuous learning and expansion on the features. Okay, let's have a look at Unreal Engine 5. And Unreal Engine 5 is a next-generation real-time 3D creation tool, and it's making waves. So it has the Nanite technology. Its virtualized micro polygon geometry enables importing film quality assets with billions of polygons. There's no performance loss at 60 frames a second. It also has Lumen lighting, so it's got full dynamic global illumination and reflections which adapt lighting in real time, eliminating baking and light map workflows. It also has world partition, so it automatically streams massive open worlds, allowing teams to collaborate on the same level, and it's all done seamlessly. It's also got tons of built-in tools, so it's got a mesh editor, geometry scripting, UV editing, and baking directly inside the engine, accelerating asset iteration. What's more is the benefits and the advantages for developers and creators. So first of all, it offers photorealistic worlds. This means you can create vast photorealistic worlds with unprecedented detail and dynamic lighting. It's perfect for gaming, VR, film, and simulation. It's got streamlined workflows. This allows you to reduce iteration times with artist-friendly animation tools, control rig, and machine learning driven real-time deformations. It also is a high performance product, so you get high quality visuals at high frame rates via the temporal super resolution upscaling. This balances fidelity and performance on a next generation console. It is an all-in-one platform, so this is always a very important thing. So it is an open platform with no hidden extras. It supports cross-industry use cases from gaming to architecture, automotive industry, and also NASA lunar simulations. The last thing over here is why you should choose Unreal Engine 5. So first of all, 66% of its users are indie developers. 59% are a trusted UE5 for blockbuster title users. And it's free to start. It's got flexible licensing options, so there's really something for everybody at every price point. It's scalable for teams of all sizes with enterprise support. It is continuously updated with vibrant community-driven innovation. And it's trusted by pioneers like NASA for mission-critical VR training. That's pretty important. It's not just a gaming engine. It's the future of real-time 3D content creation on another level. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now you've seen the best of the best. The takeaway here is to go and try all of the software that is available. See what actually works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.